Here I have REALME C35, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, tap open camera, while using the app, allow, and now let's scan for example this QR code, and as you can see immediately as this QR code is detected by your camera, it shows you this page which is being encoded to this QR code. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.